Welcome to the second lesson of Divhunt CMS course. In this lesson, we'll talk about the organization. This is the part where Divhunt especially shines when it comes to collections. This is very helpful when you're working with some bigger projects which have a big CMS, and it's very easy for things to get messy. This is where the organization comes in help. So let's open our collection. Let's open the settings of the previously created collection, and let's add another section. Let's call it data second, hit confirm, and let's add some fields here. Let's say the text field, we'll name it title, hit save. Let's add another one, this time we'll name it title 2, hit save again, and the last one, let's name it title 3, hit confirm, hit save, finish editing, and let's open our article to see how everything looks like. Now you can see that we have our second section down below. It's called data second and it has 3 fields just as we set it up. You can see this separator here, and everything above this separator is my first section. Everything below this separator is my second section. And here you can see how much space these 3 text fields takes up. We can easily edit this by closing the article, going back to the settings, and when you click on this pen you will get the editor for your field. You will find this width field, which is by the default on 100%. If you open it, you have 4 different options. Let's set, for example, 25% here, hit save. Let's set here 25 again. And now you can see that these two are stacking right next to each other, and they take a half of my actual interface here, since this 25 and this 25 makes 50%. Now let's open editor here and let's set this one to 50%. Now you can see that these 3 are stacked perfectly, and when these 3 are summed up, they take up 100%. Now let's go back to our article to see how it looks like. And you can see that it looks exactly like in the preview when we edited those fields. These 2 combined takes 50%, and the third one takes 50% by itself, and when they sum up they take 100% of this interface here. Now when we explain this, let's close the article, go back again to the settings, and here you can easily reorganize the order of your fields. You can just click on these 6 dots here and rearrange everything as you want. Now, since this section here is only for the test purposes, I will go here, completely remove it so it doesn't ruin our CMS structure here. And there is another method to easily organize your content, and that is through tabs. So if I go here, you will see this button, add new tab. So let's open it and let's name this tab second tab. Hit confirm. Let's add another section. Let's call it data 2. Hit confirm. Let's add some fields inside, for example, some text. Hit confirm. Let's this time set it to 50%. Hit save. Let's add a media. Let's call it some image. Hit confirm. And let's as well set it to be 50%. Hit save. Let's hit finish editing, and now let's open our article. This time you can see that we have 2 different tabs here. One is the general or the default one, and the second one is second tab. If I click on it, you will see that we have new section that we previously created and the 2 new fields, 50% with each that we previously created. Now you can create, let's get outside of this pop-up here, you can create as many tabs as you want. So let's, for example, name this one data 3. Hit confirm. Let's just close it to show you how it looks like. And you can see that we have our third tab here. One quick note here, everything we saw in this lesson won't affect your CMS structure or your data at all. The sole purpose of this is to easily organize through your collections. And with this, we came to the end of the second lesson. I hope this video will help you organize your collections better and to avoid unnecessary headaches. I'll be seeing you in the next lesson.